The overall goal of this procedure is to perform intravital microscopy imaging of the mouse liver to measure the blood flow speed within individual hepatic vessels. This is accomplished by first exposing the liver and injecting a fluorescent plasma reagent intravenously to label the liver vasculature. The liver sinusoids and the erythrocytes traveling into them were then visualized by confocal microscopy in real time. The hepatic vessels of interest are then selected for measurement of their blood flow velocity. In the final step, movies of the liver blood flow are acquired at high speed and resolution. Ultimately, the blood flow speed within individual vessels under normal physiological conditions and following Leishmania infection can be quantified.
The main advantage of this technique over other existing methods like Doppler ultrasound and optical coherence tomography is that it provides greater spatial and temporal resolution combined with the capacity to measure several other parameters at the same time in vivo.
This method can provide insight into the hemodynamics of the liver during microbial infections. It can also be applied to other systems, including the study of organ physiology in cancer and autoimmune disease.
Visual demonstration of this method is critical, as it is difficult to properly expose an injured liver and to rapidly choose the blood vessel exhibiting the fluorescent plasma membrane reagent staining without practical experience.
Before beginning